how to do color grading in videos. So if you want to do color grading in videos, then first you need to go with Create Project. Open up your Capcut and go with Create Project. Go with Import, which is on the upper left, and just go with a video. Once you've selected, drag and drop that to your bottom. Select the part of the video that you like and trim the extra part. And now if you want to color grade this video, then what you need to do is just select the video and go with the upper right, which has that adjustment option. Once you go with adjustment, now here you will have all of these options. So scroll down and make sure to turn on the adjust option. And if you want to add the skin tone feature, then you can simply turn it on in order to add it, or you can turn that off. Now make sure to turn on the adjust, and then you can adjust the temperature, tint, and the saturation. You can adjust it till you're satisfied with it. And after that, if you scroll down, you will have the lightness right here. You can go with the exposure. So if you think your video is overexposed, then you can simply dim that. You can go with contrast, and you can increase or decrease your contrast, and go with highlight. Highlight plays a special role in the videos. You can simply highlight something, and go with shadow and whites. If you want to enhance the whites, you can simply enhance it, or blacks, or the brilliance. And here you will have the effects. You can simply go with sharpen if you want to sharpen, and go with clarity and particles. Fade, if you want to add the fade, you can go with fade, and you'll have the vintage option. You can simply use all of these features. So once you've done with all of that, you can go with apply to all if you have 2 to 3 videos. But in my case, I only have one, so I'll be choosing save as present. And after that, if you play the video, it looks like this. And that's how you can color grade your videos in Capcut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.